Aibuan. Today is 31st October 2020, Friday. At Nidahas, we are currently in dialogue on the acute danger of motherland, our motherland, being subjected to the Indo-Pacific Black Operation, which is intensifying on a by the minute with USA in collaboration with India planning its strategy, while China and India trying to guarantee their own shares in our country, in our motherland. In the present geopolitical context, USA is trying to make Sri Lanka their next Diego Garcia. So-called politicians and their puppets who ruled our motherland over decades are responsible for this grave political disaster. According to our heritage and country's history, our citizens will no doubt rise against this political calamity. We continue our dialogue at Nidahas with that confidence and hope. Dialogue is again an involvement. Let's continue. At the conclusion of Mike Pompeo's visit, some questioned us, did Pompeo sign the MCC? They say our president Gotabaya Rajapaksa will not work according to America's wishes. The danger of the foreign invasion we are due to face is not so simple. MCC is mainly about looting our lands. The foundation for that has already been led by former President Chandrika Bandaranaike Kumaratunga's so-called Bimsaviya land project in 1997, and then former Minister Partli Champika Ranawaka with his extraordinary gazette notification 12th June 2019 by his so-called National Physical Plan. We, people of Sri Lanka, forced the President Gotabaya Rajapaksa to cancel the particular gazette notification immediately. That itself shows looting lands of the MCC goal can be achieved even otherwise without signing the MCC agreement proper, but using alternative operations. It is imperative that we be aware equally of AXA and SOFA. AXA signed in 2017 for an indefinite period has given the power to US armed forces to come into Sri Lanka. This was done by the so-called good governance, Yahapalane, puppet government of Indo-Pacific Black Operation. In brief, the American armed forces and their agencies can operate bilaterally with Sri Lankan armed forces independently without the state's involvement. The Sri Lankan state will become effectively irrelevant if we allow this to happen. This will be suicidal for Sri Lanka. This will be suicidal for our nation. Then comes SOFA. Section 14 of the proposed SOFA agreement states the agreement becomes effective the moment a foreign ministry official intimates the acceptance of the draft document. We cannot allow the USA or Sri Lankan government to play games with our sovereignty. SOFA proposes to allow free entry to US military personnel and their agents and a broad spectrum of employees without visas, while those who enter our country will exclusively be under US criminal jurisdiction. In effect, they will have full diplomatic immunity with power to carry arms. De facto, they will be super beings who will not be subject to custom regulations or any taxes or charges normally Sri Lankans are subjected to. As they will be outside criminal jurisdiction of Sri Lanka, they can never be prosecuted in Sri Lanka. In other words, they could commit any crime and legally go back to their country without any legal hindrance. We as Sri Lankans will never ever fall into this trap and will not allow our next generations to fall into the trap. Ever, never. Never, ever. Watch Chapa Against SOFA video presentation to understand how dangerous SOFA is. While being mindful about the MCC danger, we have to be aware of the looming tragedy associated in the guise of SOFA. Look, former acting Secretary Defense of US Patrick M. Shanahan has in his strategic report of 1st June 2019 indicates that the proposed strength of the forces the USA is looking forward to move to the Indo-Pacific operation zone to counter the Chinese forces will consist of 370,000 military and technical personnel, 2,000 aircrafts and 2,000 aircraft carriers. This is a geopolitical power struggle in our zone between China, India and USA. Our present political leaders are now only puppets. We as a nation cannot be a victim in this power struggle. No, never. Be vigilant. This is our motherland.